road trip, got this trusty Fiat Panda. Sorry.
Panda? We got a Fiat Panda. A Fiat Panda. Let's go. So we've made it to Ronda. Let's go check this town out.
Let's go do that. Walked out of our hotel. There's like towards the end of the street, there's a park, and you can see that there's a balcony, and it's just this sheer drop off into gorgeousness.
Can we talk about this?
Right now we are walking down the pathway to one of the viewpoints of the Puente Nuevo Bridge. We got to see a little bit of it from the top. It's probably obviously the most famous landmark here in Ronda. It looks spectacular from the top. We've got to walk all the way down to get a good look at it from the bottom. The canyon that it spans is 400 feet high, and the bridge itself was finished in 1793. It's like something you'd see in Game of Thrones or something like that. Like
yeah,
it's just
it's
this
crazy.
big, like old-looking landmark. It's spectacular. Nothing else to say. So we've been walking all day, A, through Caminito del Rey, B, through this lovely town of Ronda, and we are starving. All we've eaten are a couple bananas and some snacks we brought for us on the road, so this should be good. Let's go. We are leaving Ronda right now. We went out to eat last night. We didn't show it to you guys because it wasn't that great. So we're in the car on our way to another town. It's called Setenil de las Bodegas. Let's go check it out.
We have made it to Setenil. We have the sun blaring in our eyes, but
Check it out behind us. It looks really cute. We're gonna go have a look and explore. Ronda, where we just were, and Setenil, where we are right now, are good examples of what are called Pueblos Blancos here in Spain. These really cute white villages. Both of those towns are actually rated as one of the top 10 to visit. most unique things about Setenil de las Bodegas is this enormous rock face. So there are restaurants and homes built into and under this enormous rock structure, and it's kind of what makes this place unique. Right now we are leaving Setenil de las Bodegas. We intended to show you this cute little fort and church area that were there. We got in the car, we started driving there. Google Maps was telling us the way, but we ended up in these tiny little roads where we had literally about an inch on either side of our mirrors. So we got spooked and gave up. Like, obviously those little tiny town roads are not really made for cars, and we are in a tiny little car right now. So we're back on the road on our way back to Malaga.
So after leaving Setenil and on our way back to Malaga, we decided to stop in this other little town. It's called Ardales. Let's go take a look around.
For lunch, we stopped at this amazing place. It's called Cafe Bar Millan, and we ordered only 4 tapas and 2 coffees. The highlight of that was definitely cod with honey sauce, which was unlike anything we've tried here in Spain, and probably the best tapa we've had since we arrived in this country. We also got some cabbage rolls, calamari, which was excellent, and the last thing we got was Russian salad, which we've seen on menus all over the place here. We'd never had it before. It's kind of just like potato salad, but very good. Ardales is a small little town, but really cute and really quaint. And it's gonna wrap up our tour of these Andalusian white villages, which were adorable. So if you've ever been to one of these villages, leave a comment down below and let us know what you thought.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to see what happens next.
Bye.